Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix charged after canceling in FaceApp. So if you were charged after canceling the app, it usually comes down to time in our account mix ups, not the app randomly billing you. So actually guys, first you will need to check when you canceled, and that's the most common cause. So on your phone, canceling a subscription stops future renewals and does not refund or cancel the current billing period. So if you canceled after the renewal date, you will still be charged for that cycle. So to check it, you will need just to go with your phone's or your device settings, and here you will need to tap on your name at the top of the options, and then just go with the subscriptions option. It's the fourth one. So here you will need to locate the FaceApp application and then just look at next billing date and expiration date just to make sure. And also guys, you will need to make sure that you cancel the right subscription. So some people accidentally have two FaceApp subscriptions or subscriptions on different Apple IDs. So you'll need to check just right here inside the subscriptions tab, and also check other Apple IDs you may use. And also guys, just look for pending and authorization charges. So sometimes it looks like you were charged after canceling, but it's actually a pending charge from before cancellation. So you only need to wait 24 to 72 hours to see if it's disappears. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next one.